Hey there, my ladies. Are you guys tired of laying on your lash text table for like 45 minutes to an hour? Well, if you are, keep watching this video as I show you guys how I get my lashes done in 10-15 minutes max. And I mean it, yeah. So I'm making use of a strip lash, and I'm going to leave out the name of this strip lash in the description box for those of you that might be interested. So there is a tweezer I'm using for this process. I have had it for a little while now, and I got it when I got a Kiss Lash set. I believe you can get this tweezer from any other like beauty store or something. You'd notice strip lashes come with a little glue on it, the glue that helps it stick to the pack. So I try to take off the glue as much as I can, and I do so by making use of alcohol spray, just alcohol basically. So I make use of an air cotton bud to apply the alcohol on the glue of the lashes, and then I try to peel off the glue as much as I can. Just do the most that you can basically. Now the whole essence of this is so that the glue isn't sticking to your eyes whenever you like blink. And then after that, I cut off those extra what I call it, rope or something on both ends of the strip lash. You can see me doing so with my razor blade, and then I go ahead to divide the lash. So I cut it into 4 places. You could do 3, but I'll totally recommend 4. Now make sure while you're dividing the lashes, you're arranging the parts orderly. And what I mean by this is, like, if you were to glue the different parts together, they would come out how the lash originally was. And the reason for this is because you don't want the lash to have a different look when you're done fixing it. Like, you want it to come out the same way the lash originally was when you're done fixing it. Also, you may want to reduce the length of that part that goes to the inner corner of your eyes. Like, you can see me trying to reduce there, because many times for me, I find it disturbs me. If it doesn't disturb you, then good and fine. So the next thing you want to make sure you're doing is you're wiping clean your eyelashes of any oil residue, anything of that sort. The lash glue I'm using is this Excel bonding glue. This glue is for the OGs, like those that know. So I make use of this paper tape to patch down my eyes, because I find that's what works best for me. And of course, you want to make sure you're brushing out your lashes, because, of course, you want that flawless application. And that's how I grip the lashes with a tweezer, and I go ahead to apply the lashes on my lash. Psych! I'm going to show you guys how I go about applying the glue and all that in the next slide. Or maybe the slide after the next slide. Yeah, so I'm making use of a different tweezer. It doesn't have to be that way for you. Just get the glue on the lash, and then I'm rubbing the back of the lash on my palm. You can do so wherever, just make sure there isn't excess glue at the back of the lash. And then I leave the glue to get tacky for like 40 seconds to a minute, and I place the lash under my own lash, but then I make sure it's really, really close to my own lash. I'm repeating the same step again, applying the glue on the inside of the lashes, rubbing the back of the lashes on my palm to make sure there isn't excess glue, leaving the lash glue to get tacky for 40 seconds to a minute, and then placing it under my natural lash as close as possible. Then I make use of the tweezer to set the lashes in place to make sure all parts are placed properly on my lashes, under my lashes, sorry. And that's the part that goes towards the inner part of the inner corner of my eyes. Remember, I had mentioned to you guys earlier that I try to reduce the length so it's not disturbing basically. So I had done that off the camera. That's how I try to get my glue tacky as quick as possible. And then I've been talking for like how many, I've been talking for like a minute straight. It just feels like, anyways. So at this point, I'm done fixing every piece of lash under my lashes, and then I go ahead with the tweezer to make sure everything is well set. I like to open up the tweezer to, make sure that there isn't any mischievous glue hiding somewhere in between some strands or something like that. So this is it, guys. I kind of look funny, but yeah, those paper tape pieces help to make sure my lids are not like closing up in the process. Just helps separate my lids for the most part. Is it lid? anyways, it helps separate, you know, the upper part of my eye from the lower part of my eyes from closing up in the process. And then using the tweezer, I like to go back in after like 5 minutes to press down the lashes on my natural lashes. This just helps to secure the glue in place, and it helps to make sure it helps to make it seem like the lashes are growing out from your eyes, if you get what I mean. So it keeps everything in place, holds everything tight, and yeah. Yep, this is me done fixing the lashes on both eyes. And oh god, you guys, check the lashes out now, just check it out. Yeah, I should let you guys know that at the point of doing this voiceover, I'd had these lashes on for 2 weeks, so the glue does a pretty decent job. Like, let me know what you guys think about the process. Do you think it's quick and easy? Do you think it's something you'll be able to recreate? Just let me know. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. So till then, stay blessed. I love y'all. Bye.